Oh hey there! Today you're gonna learn an awesome fill. What's up everyone, Eddie here, I hope you're doing well. Today is a fast-paced lesson where you're gonna learn an awesome fill. So in this lesson I'll be sharing a drum fill, but remember, today is not just about this one fill. It's actually about the concept and the tools that you get so you can create these kind of fills in the future yourself. Just a little disclaimer, although these patterns that we're gonna learn are easy, this fill is not gonna be easy. It's gonna take some time to practice and to get it sorted out in the 16th note fill that we're playing today. And always let the music come first. Sometimes it's just really exciting to practice a cool drum fill, right? That being said, let's get started. So let's break today's fill down. It actually consists of two patterns. A group of 4, right, left, left, kick. And a group of 3, right, left, kick. Now both patterns might already be familiar to you, but now we're going to put them together in one fill. We're actually going to play a 2-bar fill today, so 2 bar of 16th notes, and we're going to structure it like this: 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Making a total of 32 notes, filling the 2 bars. Let me play through it slowly on the snare. Now, as you might have seen, I am already playing with dynamics. So in the pattern of 4, the first right is an accent and the lefts, the double stroke, are played as ghost notes. And with the right-left kick, I play right-left as an accent. But you can of course play with that and explore for yourself. Now the next step is to orchestrate it around the kit, because if we just stick to the snare drum, it gets kind of boring. This is what really makes fills come to life. Now it's up to you to go and explore on your own. Orchestrate it in a different way. Maybe you have a different setup, maybe you have some cowbells, maybe you have some tom-toms, or whatever kind of setup you have. Go and explore with this same fill. You don't have to play it exactly as I do, and that's the beauty of it. Go and explore on your own and figure out cool combinations around your drum kit. Try playing different accents. Move your double strokes around the toms. It's all up to you from this point. Now, if this resonates with you, this is something I do in the Flow Collective. Not just memorizing fills, but learning how to create them yourself. And if you want structured practice plans, feedback on your drumming, and step-by-step guidance through a system that actually helps you to make progress with your drum fills, then check the link in the description. All right, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next one.